Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your laptop or desktop Wi-Fi network if it is slow. In this video I'll show you some steps. If you follow all my steps, then you can easily fix the slow internet problem on your computer. So let's get started. Let me show you all the steps. You just have to follow them one by one. Okay. First of all, open your Windows settings. Here go to network and internet. Then scroll down and go to advanced network settings. Then again scroll down and click on network reset. Now here click on reset now. Click on yes. That's it. Now you have to restart your PC. I hope it will fix your Wi-Fi network issue. That's the basic settings to solve Wi-Fi network. Now let me show you another settings. Go to your Windows bar and type here device manager. Then just open it. Expand the network adapters. Now update the Wi-Fi driver. Sometimes because of old Wi-Fi driver, network can be slow. Okay, so here just right click on it. Then click on update driver. Next click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click on next. As you can see, my Wi-Fi driver is already updated. Just close it. Now let me show you the most important method. This method is very important for increasing the Wi-Fi network speed. So please watch these steps carefully. Search here control panel. Then just open it. Here go to network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center. After that go to change adapter settings. Here right click on Wi-Fi adapters. Then go to properties. Now here click on internet protocol version 4. As you can see here, I have set up Cloudflare DNS. The most reliable and popular DNS are Cloudflare and Google DNS. Now you have to set up one of these DNS. Which one is better for you? Let me show you how you can check which DNS will be better for you. For that, first of all, go to the search bar and type here command prompt. Then right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now type here ping, then space, then 8.8.8.8. That's the Google DNS server address. Hit the enter. Here you can see the average ping for Google DNS is about 44 ms. Now let me check the other one, which is Cloudflare. So first we have to type here ping, then space. After that type the Cloudflare DNS address. Hit the enter. Here below, as you can see, average ping is about 16 ms. That means for me Cloudflare DNS will be faster compared to Google DNS. So let me set up this DNS. Here click on use the following DNS. In preferred DNS server, type 1.1.1.1. Then in alternate DNS server, type 1.0.0.1. These are the Cloudflare DNS addresses. So just type these DNS addresses. I'll share Google and Cloudflare full DNS addresses in the description, so don't worry about it. After type this DNS, just click on OK. Again click on OK. Now again right click on Wi-Fi adapter and go to properties. Then click on configure. Now from the top list, click on advanced. Here make sure channel wide 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz are set to auto. Fat channel intolerant should be disabled. After that go to preferred band and select prefer 5 GHz band. Then click on roaming aggressiveness, make it lowest. More low roaming means more speed. Okay, but if your router is far away from your PC, then you can select medium or medium low depending on the distance between router and PC. Okay, then click on robot booster, make sure it is disabled. Okay, after that click on OK. So friend, that's all the settings you have to do. If you follow all of these steps, then I hope inshallah your network speed will become fast. Friends, if you found this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.